Hello and welcome once again to the Admiral Studios. My name is Joel, and I'm here to talk to you about one of my favorite products here at Admiral, the Admiral Baseplate. Now you'll notice right off the bat that there are two different types of baseplate. You have the zinc coated here in the back, and you have the black up front. Now while lifting that baseplate, I didn't injure my hands, and that's because we've rounded the handles here to ease the weight that your hands feel when lifting the baseplate. These base plates weigh 25 kilograms, so not only will they give you a great workout, but they'll provide a strong and secure base for whatever structure you're building. Now you'll notice the pre-drilled holes that are all along this base plate. I'm going to explain the multifunctionality that these holes provide. First, you will need this special conical coupler and a countersunken bolt. Now this special coupler, as you can see here, is sunken, which will allow your countersunken bolt to fit flushly through the base plate and allow your truss to sit securely. As you can see, the pre-drilled holes are slanted inward that will perfectly fit your countersunken bolt. Then it's just a matter of attaching the coupler on the back, and the bolt sits flush, allowing your base plate to sit firmly on the ground.
Now, we used an M12 bolt in our previous shot to secure the conical coupler. Though some people solely work with M10 bolts, that doesn't work very well in this combination. Let me show you. As you can see here, this doesn't work very well. Well, we wouldn't be Admiral if we didn't come up with a solution for this. Let me introduce you to our reduction ring. This ring can be placed between an M10 bolt and a conical coupler to reduce the amount of space you would normally have because you're using a smaller bolt. Can you see the difference? A small product with a big impact.
As you can see with the position of your pre-drilled holes, this indicates that you can fit a 30 truss, a 40 truss, and a triangle truss. Truss can sit in the center position, or it can sit asymmetrically. This is great for a television stand or another kind of display. The triangle truss can also sit in the center position or asymmetrically.
Here we have our rubber floor protector. Now, this adhesive rubber mat can be applied underneath your base plates for floor protection and more friction. With cutouts for the base plate's bolt, this rubber mat is very easy to use. If you're looking for a solution to turn your zinc base plates black, this rubber mat can also be applied to the top of your base plate.
And there you have it. Thanks for joining us today about the Admiral Baseplate. For more information about the Admiral Baseplate cart or one of our other products, please see the other videos in this channel. Thanks for joining us.